Some people wake up richer every single morning without working while they sleep. No client calls, no endless meetings, no late night emails, no stressful deadlines. Their bank account simply keeps growing, not because they discovered secret investments, not because they inherited family wealth. They own simple businesses, generating money almost completely on autopilot. Most people ignore them because they seem painfully boring. Ironically, that's exactly why they make extraordinary money. The richest opportunities rarely receive the most attention. Some businesses today will genuinely surprise you. Others may remind you of opportunities you previously ignored. If you remember only one business today, remember the final recommendation. It delivers remarkable recurring income with surprisingly little daily effort. Let's begin with business number 20, commercial window cleaning. That's exactly why competition remains surprisingly low. Commercial buildings require regular cleaning throughout the entire year. Many businesses happily sign annual contracts, renewing automatically every single year. Those recurring agreements create dependable monthly income. Here's the interesting part. Owners rarely clean windows personally after growing their business successfully. Pay them generously. Keep the remaining profit after covering operating expenses. Business number 19, pressure washing. No dangerous heights. No complicated licenses. Homes always become dirty again. Sidewalks collect stains. Parking lots gather grime. Storefronts need regular cleaning. Demand never completely disappears. During strong economies, homeowners improve property appearance. Smart operators avoid chasing one-time customers forever. Which option feels more predictable? That's exactly how recurring contracts build financial stability. Business number 18, portable restroom rentals. Probably today's least glamorous opportunity, also one of today's most profitable businesses. Construction projects always require temporary restroom facilities. Sporting events depend on them. Community fairs rent them regularly. Almost nobody enjoys owning portable restrooms. Purchase quality units once. Rent them repeatedly throughout every single year. Collect recurring payments from every rental agreement. Business number 17, vending machines. Forget outdated machines accepting only loose coins. Today's machines accept digital payments effortlessly. Many even report inventory directly through smartphone applications. One excellent location creates dependable monthly profit. Products aren't the real secret. Location determines everything. Busy offices, fitness centers, factories, hospitals, schools. These places generate consistent customer traffic every single day. Successful operators eventually own dozens of profitable locations. Employees refill machines, while owners expand operations elsewhere. Eventually, the business practically manages itself. You're not simply buying vending machines, you're purchasing permission to monetize unused empty space continuously. Business number 16, ATM ownership. Most people believe only banks own cash machines. Private entrepreneurs operate successful ATM networks every single day. Place machines where customers frequently need convenient cash access. No complicated selling required. Business number 15, bookkeeping services. Paperwork rarely excites ambitious entrepreneurs. Ironically, boring paperwork consistently creates remarkable recurring income. Small business owners hate organizing financial records every single month. That's why they gladly pay dependable professionals handling everything correctly. Business number 14, residential and commercial cleaning. Many people dismiss this business before understanding its incredible earning potential. That's a costly mistake. Every home eventually becomes dirty again. Every office requires regular cleaning. Recurring customers create predictable monthly income for years. 5 loyal clients already build a solid foundation. Expand with trained cleaning teams. Your income grows without cleaning every property personally. The real secret isn't cleaning better than competitors. The real secret is keeping customers happy forever. Business number 13, pest control. Nobody enjoys talking about insects or rodents. Unfortunately, pests never disappear permanently. Restaurants need regular treatments. Apartment buildings require continuous inspections. Homeowners demand immediate solutions. Monthly contracts renew because customers fear future infestations. Urgent problems always create strong demand. Business number 12, laundromats, one of America's most overlooked wealth-building businesses. People always need clean clothes. Modern laundromats earn money from much more than washing machines. Snack machines increase profits. Drink machines generate additional revenue. ATMs create another income source. Free Wi-Fi encourages customers to stay longer. Several businesses quietly operate beneath one simple roof. Business number 11, self-storage facilities. Storage facilities sell convenience instead of empty space. Many customers rent units for years. Small online businesses also use storage units as affordable warehouses. Recurring monthly payments create dependable long-term cash flow. Business number 10, equipment rental. Most people need expensive tools only occasionally. Buying them rarely makes financial sense. That's where rental businesses become incredibly valuable. Purchase equipment once, rent it repeatedly throughout many years. Contractors constantly need specialized machines temporarily. Homeowners also rent equipment for weekend projects. The equipment eventually pays for itself multiple times. Everything afterward becomes additional profit. Business number 9, sports card reselling. It sounds like a hobby. However, disciplined collectors quietly build profitable businesses every year. They buy large collections, identify valuable cards, grade their condition carefully, sell them through specialized marketplaces. Success depends on knowledge and consistency, not luck, not gambling. Repeat the process every day. Business number 8, small part manufacturing. Nobody dreams about manufacturing tiny screws or plastic connectors. That's exactly why competition stays surprisingly low. Factories constantly need specialized replacement parts. Small businesses gladly accept those overlooked opportunities. Solving tiny industrial problems often creates massive financial rewards. Business number 7, management software for small businesses. Forget building the next billion-dollar social media platform. Solve one annoying business problem instead. Appointment scheduling, inventory management, customer records. Simple software saving business owners valuable time always finds paying customers. People don't purchase software, they purchase convenience. Remove frustration consistently. Customers gladly keep paying every single month. Business number 6, specialized electrical services. Traditional electricians already earn excellent incomes. Specialists earn significantly more. Smart homes continue growing rapidly. Electric vehicle chargers are becoming increasingly common. Most electricians still ignore this specialization. Early specialists charge premium prices because competition remains limited. Sometimes greater income comes from specializing instead of reinventing everything. Business number 5, commercial kitchen plumbing. Restaurants cannot survive with broken plumbing. Every minute closed costs significant money. Urgent repairs command premium prices. Specialized plumbers become trusted long-term partners. Instead of serving everyone, they dominate one profitable niche. Business number 4, parking lots. Perhaps today's simplest business. Own valuable land. Allow drivers to park. Collect payments every single day. No inventory, no complicated products, minimal daily operations. Location determines almost everything. The best locations become nearly impossible for competitors to copy. Business number 3, buying existing franchises. Starting from zero always involves uncertainty. Franchises provide proven business systems instead. Someone else already tested the process successfully. You're purchasing experience, systems, and established customer trust. Execution becomes easier because the blueprint already exists. Business number 2, buying existing businesses. This idea changes everything. Most people believe businesses must always start from scratch. That's completely unnecessary. Many profitable businesses already exist. Laundromats, cleaning companies, pest control stores, storage facilities. Instead of creating customers, purchase businesses already serving loyal customers. Buying proven cash flow dramatically reduces risk. Sometimes the smartest entrepreneur isn't the original founder, they're simply the smartest buyer. Finally, business number 1, recurring revenue. This isn't one specific business, it's the principle connecting every successful business you've seen today. Ask yourself one simple question. Does this business pay me once, or does it pay me every month? Recurring customers create financial freedom. Customers keep returning without constant persuasion. Consistency always beats excitement.
Think about two different entrepreneurs. One spends years searching for the perfect revolutionary idea. Another buys one boring business producing dependable monthly cash flow. Several years later, the second entrepreneur enjoys freedom because they chose consistency over excitement. That's the uncomfortable truth behind lasting wealth. Which business surprised you the most today? Tell me in the comments below. I genuinely love to hear your answer. If this video completely changed how you think about building wealth, hit the like button. Subscribe now for more practical business ideas, investing strategies, and financial education. It's built through smart decisions repeated consistently. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.